In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a funnel in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a live funnel built from a template, customized with your own content, and equipped with a form to capture leads. Start by opening your GoHighLevel sub-account. This brings you to the workspace where all your tools live. From the main menu, click on Sites. This is where GoHighLevel keeps your websites and funnels, so it's the perfect starting point. Next, select Funnels to enter the Funnel Builder area. Now click on New Funnel. You'll see 3 ways to begin: from blank, Funnel AI, or from templates. From blank is great when you want total control from the ground up. Funnel AI can generate a structure for you based on prompts. For this walkthrough, we'll choose From Templates, which is the fastest way to get professional design without starting from scratch. Go ahead and click Continue. You'll now see a gallery of templates. Browse through and pick one that matches your goal: lead generation, bookings, or sales. Pay attention to layout, hero sections, and how the call to action is presented. When you find the one you like, click Choose, and it will load into the editor. With the template open, you can edit and add fields right on the page. Click any headline to change the text, swap images to match your brand, and adjust colors so everything feels consistent. Keep your headline short and benefit-focused, and make sure your main call to action stands out clearly. Let's add a form as an example. At the top left of the editor, click the plus icon to open your Elements panel. In the search bar, type Form to quickly find the form element. Click and drag the form onto your funnel page and drop it where you want it to appear, usually near the top, close to your main call to action. After placing it, select the form you want to use from the available list so the right fields and settings apply. Keep your form simple. Ask only for the information you truly need to reduce drop-off and increase conversions. Clear button text like Get Instant Access or Book Now can also help. Take a moment to fine-tune spacing, check readability, and make sure the design looks clean. Consistent fonts and clear contrast go a long way in building trust. When everything looks good, you can publish your funnel. Publishing makes it live so visitors can see it and submit their details. That's it. Your funnel is set up, customized, and ready to capture leads in GoHighLevel.